Hello everyone, today we will see how this Mayflower, beautiful Mayflower grows. So Mayflower is also known as the football lily, and you can see it is so beautiful that you can plant in your garden sidewise because its flowers only in the summer, that is the May time. So when you plant a small bulb in your garden, it will not flower for a year. After 1 year it can flower, and when you plant the onion, it will grow its leaves, it will grow somewhat short plant it is, and it will grow, and then its leaves will die, and whole plant it will look like it has died and now it is no more. But it is not the problem, because when its leaves will be invisible to you, then only its buds come out and it will flower. So this is type of magical plant and it is really very unique. So this was the procedure for the Mayflower plant growing, and you can see and it's very useful in your garden, because in summertime actually no flowers are there, so it can look very beautiful in your garden. So you have to plant it sideways some way in the so that it can flower in the summer. So you can see guys, this is so beautiful plant, and it will grow into more onions, and then you will have more and more in your garden. So as you wish, it will grow into very pretty flowers, and you can see that all its leaves are invisible, only the flowers are visible because its leaves have got invisible. And it has a type of, it is a type of inflorescence. It is growing from inside one by one, and then it is blooming into a very big flower. Now its onions will increase, so you should not give it more water, because it can rot. So you can understand that giving more water is more dangerous. So this is the very type of plant which we can plant in our garden. So I just love lilies, because lilies require less attention, and once you plant the onion, it will grow into more plants and it will give you more flowers according to the season. So lilies are the best, and this is a type of something lily. This is the football lily. So you can see, and it is the best for your garden. If you get one bulb, you should really plant it in your garden, because it flowers in May season. Now imagine May, when there is so hot sun, then it's growing, and it's growing so beautifully. And this red type of flower, it really looks nice in your garden. So you should also have one bulb of this. So I just took a bulb from my neighbor and I just planted it in my garden, and you can see this result. It is growing and its leaves are dead, so it only flowers. And lilies are so beautiful that you must have them in your garden. So I am planning that I should get more lilies, so I don't have to pay any more attention. So once you water them about a week, so that will be sufficient. And first of all, lilies are such plants that if you plant them in ground, then the onion, it will, when it flowers or when it goes green, so the onion will grow very deep in the ground, that it is hardly impossible to take it out, especially for big lilies like this. So what you will do, that you can plant in containers. First you bring a onion from a shop, then you plant it in a container, and then you let it grow into many plants, and then you can transfer the bulbs as you wish, and you can plant one bulb then in ground, so it will get more big flowers. In containers it grows very small flowers come, and so therefore if you want more flowers, you can grow in big containers. So this is it. I like to place it in ground only, but it is really very impossible to take it out and just plant it somewhere else, and then it spreads there only. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And just it's enough for today. Bye.